Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video, and in this video I'll show you how you can edit text in Figma. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. To do that, it's a very easy process. First of all, I'm going to go to this guidance over here so you can go through it and check it out on your own. But I'm going to give you some key points, so watch the video till the end. Here we go. Now, when you go to text layers, these are the things that you can do. Text layers, text contents, type properties, other text properties, and these are the category within and the features within. Now to create text layers, this is how the features will be displayed. You just simply have to go to this particular one, text, and then you go, once you have clicked on it, you can simply go ahead, start typing a text which will somewhat look like this example right over here. Once you have wrote, you can see select the text tool again, hover cursor over the path of vector object until the text on a path icon appears, and you can go ahead, enter more text, and you can change the shape likewise as well. And there is given a brief example for that right over here. Edit text content, already given text, you can go ahead, select that, and you can start editing, including the size, including the font, and you can also add new word. Once you have done that, you can see multi-edit. There is even a tutorial available regarding that by multi-edit text editing. You can go ahead and watch this as well according to your need, and that's all you need to know. Make sure to come over here and watch this video as well over here. That's it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.